dashboard in Tableau using this dataset. It has two sheets. We have the order sheet and the strategic markets sheet. This one. We'll load this data in Tableau and create some visuals, of which I will later create a dashboard to the team. Let's see. I loaded the data in Tableau. This is the data. After loading, you have the order sheet, and then you have the strategic market. I joined the data. It's here, very well joined. Now this is the final data set we will use. Join the data using segment as the matching rows, the matching column I mean. Then after that, I started creating visuals analysis. For this, I needed to know which category brings more profits. I discovered that the office supply category, followed by the tech, then furniture. I also needed to see which segment brings more profit. And first I discovered that the consumer segment brings a negative profit, like loss, just no profit. Corporate segment leads, the home office follows. I needed to see which here brings more sales. And it's clear that as the year goes up, the sales also increases. That's good. I also needed to see the relationship between hard spend and the hard spend and the NPS. For every one hard spend, the count of hard spend M is 300, the hard spend M is 52.0, then the NPS. These are relationships to know the hard spend and the NPS for the decision team to understand a bit more. And I needed to see which states brings more sales. If you can sort this, of which these are the states, the California, Florida, and so on. These are states and sales. Then I also needed to show which customers brings the most sales. I filtered the data to have the top 10, and these are the top 10s. I have the customer ID 023 leads as the most salesperson. Again, I needed to see who are the least sales customers, and these are the lists. The least one is customer 032, needs to be checked, investigated. We have customer 034 also, customer 035, customer 030. These are the least sales customers. Again, after that, I decided to create the dashboard of the sales by state. We have the relationship by between hard spend M and NPS. We have the list 10 sales by customer ID. We have the top 10 sales by customer ID. The profits. It's a simple dashboard everyone can understand for the decision makers to make decisions without guessing.